Hey guys, my name is Dakshi Gupta and welcome back to my channel Code with Dakshi. So in this video we will talk about that what are separator and AND. Okay, so guys, let's say one example like print my name is, and in next line we are using here like Dakshi. Okay, so if I run this, I am getting two lines. Like in first line, I am getting my name is, and in second line, I am getting Dakshi. But when we use this code and when we are adding here like I am adding here and equals to that is strings, and let's see what we will get. We are getting my name is Dakshi in one line. So without adding and, we are getting two lines. Okay, and with the help of and, we are getting only one line, like my name is Dakshi. So this is about and. Okay, with the help of and, we will get two line of code in one line. Okay, so now let's say about like print. I'm using same example. Okay, in this I'm using separator. For separator we use SEP. So this and just like this, and here I am getting two lines. My name is in one line and Dakshi is in second line. So the thing that I am trying to telling you that in first, when we use and, with the help of and, we will get only one line of output, and with the help of separator, if we are not adding anything behind the strings, under the strings, so then we will get my name is Dakshi. But let's say one example, and in this I just want date of birth. So let's say like 2. Okay, then I'm using here like 2nd March, and I'm using here like 1972. So in this part, if I'm using like separator equals to, I'm using this slash. As you know that in date of birth we are having slash or dash, so I'm using slash here. I'm getting 2 slash March slash 1972. But if we use here like 2 March 1972, and I'm closing the string, then I'm using here separator equals to this, and I'm closing the bracket, and I'm getting to 2nd March 1972 only. Okay, so that the thing I am telling you, I want to tell you that if we are using the strings in different way, like in second we are using this one string, in March we are using different string, in 1972 we are using different string. Okay, so then only we will get the slash between 2 March 1972. But when we write to 2nd March 1972 whole in only one string, then we will not get this slash between 2 and March. Okay, that's the difference which I want to tell you guys. So now if we use both and separator, so let's say I'm having this. Okay, in this if I use this dash, so I'm getting my name is and Dakshi. But when I use here my, then name, then is, then I am getting my dash name dash is. Okay, so this is the major difference between why we are using different strings in my name is, and in this when we use whole sentence in one string, what we will get. Right, so now if I use here, like in next line, I want to tell you. Okay, see the difference, guys. If I'm using here and, so I am getting my dash name dash is Dakshi. But when I don't use the and, I used only separator, then I am getting 2 lines of code. Okay, but in this one, when I am using and, I am getting the whole code in only 1 line, not in 2 lines. So why we use and? Because guys, if we want, like there were many lines, there will be many lines, okay, and we want like all the things in 1 line, so that's why we have to use their and. Okay, so if you want to make some changes, like you want to add dash, you want to add this slash, you want to add the at the rate, you want to add different symbols. Okay, so then we used separator. So this is all about separator and okay, I think this video will help you. So please guys, like my video, subscribe my channel, and if you want to ask anything, please free to ask me. Okay, you can ask on comments. Okay, and I will definitely reply to all your comments. Okay, so guys, this is the end of my video. I hope you all are good. So thank you so much, and let's meet in another video.